Hello, my name is Evans. Please let me welcome you to Dame De Pic London. Here we pass to the main dining room, which we seat up to 25 guests, depending of the seating, of course. Of course, it's to work along Anne-Sophie. It's an incredible opportunity, and of course, it's such a pleasure at the same time to work with her. There is a never stop learning. Let's do not forget that Dame De Pic is based in the heritage of Anne-Sophie. And of course, we follow this heritage of French cuisine, but we also are aware where we are, and we're in England, and we love to use and showcase a lot of English ingredients. Today, we're gonna cook pollock, marinated in some absinthe pepper, some green beans on the side, and some beurre blanc with blackcurrant sage. But yeah, we get a White Ikejime Pollock, really nice, from Cornwall, actually coming from New Wing Market. And it's this nice technique in which you're gonna kill with the head first. So it's a quick death, and also it's allow a better flesh while cooking. So after I've taken off the flesh of the fish, we're gonna proceed to cure them with 2% of the absinthe salt, and then on the barbecue straight away. It's really important to get the fish with the skin really nice and crispy. Now we're gonna soften our demi-sole butter, and then after soften, we're gonna add some blackcurrant sage and also some pineapple sage, just to infuse for about 20 minutes. Then we're gonna just pass with that meat is gonna be the one making our base of beurre blanc. So now we're gonna make a reduction of beurre blanc using some confit shallots at the bottom. Sake, rice vinegar, white wine in. That's our reduction for the beurre blanc. So now we're gonna just strain it. So we have the reduction of shallots, the infused butter that we did with blackcurrant butter, and also some plain cream. So now we're gonna do the sea fennel gel. So now we're gonna make just a pickle liquid with white balsamic, water, and sugar. So when we have dissolved all the sugar, we're just gonna bring it to boil, add the absinthe pepper to let it infuse for at least 2 hours, and then strain, and then set with the agar. So now we're gonna cook for about 30 seconds, and then we're gonna just put it on the side to let it set. Just gonna blanch our sea fennel for about 30 to 40 seconds, just to set the chlorophyll, and then we're gonna just cool them down in some ice water. We're gonna add the jelly, which is being set already, with a nice blend. So it's been blitzing now. We have a smooth gel. So now we're gonna add the blanched sea fennel in order to give a nice flavor. So now we have a nice and a smooth gel. Now we have our French green beans. We have chopped them small. We're gonna blanch them in some salty water until they're fully cooked. We're gonna cool them down in ice water and then blend into a puree. So next we're gonna do our absinthe pepper glaze. Basically we're gonna have our spring honey, some sea fennel, some pineapple sage, some blackcurrant sage, some verbena, and some fennel flowers, and the absinthe pepper. So absolutely we have a nice and rich honey that we're gonna use to glaze the green beans. Now we're gonna cook the French beans, the green beans and the yellow beans. Same, some boiling water. We're gonna add some salt. And then we're just gonna cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna, after cooking them and cool them down, we're just gonna open them in two. Trying to pick up, center, the middle. And then, yeah, just pull them down basically. Cook green beans. So we're gonna do a little brown butter. We're gonna just toast them slightly. And then we're gonna finish with a glaze that we did before with the honey. That's gonna be all the components then. So we are just ready to go. Puree of the green beans on the bottom. All the green beans on top, glazed with a marinade that we did. And just to finish, the rocks on fire gel on top. Some flowers from the garden, verbena flowers and some sage flowers as well. So there we have our Cornish Pollock, cooked over the embers, blackcurrant, sage beurre blanc, and beans Pluriell glazed with absinthe pepper. I have such a young team, and I'm including myself, on that box. I think we are all really young, and I can see the passion through the eyes of every of my chefs. Every new season coming up, we get so excited about new products, new things coming up, and all this fire motivates not just me, the whole team to just keep moving forward. Hi, my name is Evans. We are at Dame De Pic London. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please like and subscribe for more of them.